Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an axe out of paper. Enjoy. Okay guys, all you need for this is scissors, tape, and paper. Okay, so what you need to do now is fold it like this. As you can see, like that. Oops. Like that. And then keep on doing that. Okay, then after you do that, take your tape and tape it. Taping it. Tape it from end to end. And even in the middle. So tape it in the middle. And then you're done this work. Now all you need to do is, if you want it to be smaller, bend it like that, but if you don't want to, leave it like how it was. But I'm gonna bend it, so if you don't wanna watch this, skip, please skip, so you don't get bored. Okay, so if you are watching this, you tape it from end to end, in the middle, and basically everywhere. So now it should look nice like this. Okay, now to make the axe, you're going to wrap it around. So take the paper. I know it looks kind of bad right now, but just put the tape on the paper and align it with your handle. And now it should look pretty like that. Like that. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna put the tape on. Okay, after you put the tape on, what you will do is cut it into the shape of an axe. If you don't know how to shape an axe, please go on Google and look it up. Okay, I know this looks kind of stupid like this, but I'm gonna fix it. Okay, now it should look like this. What you're going to do is, well, this is not really an axe, it's going to be more of a tomahawk because I'm going to put that on the side. So now you're going to have to do the same exact thing on the same exact side. So let's place this back on. Tape it again. Tape with both sides. Now it should look like this. Well, there's a cut here because I used it. I don't want to waste the paper. So now you're going to cut the same exact shape as what you did before. So now it should look a tiny bit like that. Okay. It's not taped yet, but I will do that now. Okay, tape the end of it so they can stick together. Okay, so now it should look like this. Now tape it on the bottom and at the top. Okay, now it should look like this. Flatten it out. Okay, like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take a regular paper like this, and now you're going to fold it like this. Fold it in half. Okay, then fold it again, and fold it one last time. Okay, after you folded it, wait, one last time again. After you folded it and made the crease as well, what you're going to do, oops, too much tape. You're going to take it, put tape in the middle, tape on the ends, and tape on the other end. So now it should look like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to glue this on in the middle of this. So you're going to place it inside your tomahawk. So then cut it in half. And then it should look like that. But then what you're going to do is you're going to make it knife shaped. To make it knife shaped, you cut both ends but going this way, like in a sideways position. Okay, now do the other side to cut it sideways. Oops. And there's your tomahawk. Like that. Now, I will throw it.